to MedPrep by Academically. Another notification, another vacancy for all the medicos out there coming straight from the PSU. Gas India Limited. Absolutely. Gas Authority of India Limited has brought to you a medical officer vacancy, SDMO, Special Duty Medical Officer, whereby you will be serving 8 hours of daily work as a medical officer, whereby you will be doing the checkups, examination with your clinical expertise. It is going to give you 1 lakh rupee plus salary per month. Absolutely. A very lucrative salary for all of you. There are 3 posts that are available. All you need is a strong communication skills, interpersonal skills, so that you can explain the patients well and manage some medical emergencies, if any, whenever. So there are specific Gale dispensaries that are there, so you'll be working over there. The last date to apply is 5th of March. So today you approximately have around 20 days to apply for the same. Over here you can find, if you can go on jobsly.com. Once you visit over there, you will find this notification. You have to click on the official platform over here and you will be redirected directly on the notification site. And also in the YouTube description, the one in which you're watching the video, in the description box there's a link of this PDF. Definitely go and have a look of the same. So let me open this PDF for you and break down this post for you. So there is a contractual post of a special duty medical officer shift duty, whereby you will be having under the PSU, public sector undertaking, India's flagship natural gas company. So it is a flagship program, a flagship company, and over here this is what the eligibility is. MBBS with 1 years of rotatory experience in the internship. So once you have completed 4.5 years, 5 years of MBBS, post that one you have an internship with that as well. Any departments, ortho, pedia, gynac, OBG, irrespective, you need an internship experience from the and your medical registration from a MCI, National Medical Council and Medical Council of India approved institute. The full-time duty officer, for the shift duty medical officer, will be placed in the tenure basis at the Dhanvantri Hospital, okay, in the Gaon Dibaipur, or this will be the location. All right. The salary, you will get a consolidated remuneration of 1,04,000 rupees for a daily shift of 8 hours per day, and annually this will be increased by 3,100 rupees. So suppose it's a temporary contractual post for 1 year. If you perform well, there will be an increment of 3,100 rupees per month in your salary. So first you're earning 1,04,000, you will be later on earning 1,07,000. Alright. So over here you can see the other conditions. You should not be into any other government institute or PSU. So you will be needing a NOC, no objection certificate. If you're working somewhere previously, you will be needing that. Of course, along with that, your basic matriculation certificates, 10th, 12th mark sheets, your government ID proof, either of any of them, like passport, Aadhaar card, driving license, or any of them with your registration. And over here you have to find out the roles and responsibilities. So what are the other conditions? Engagement of the full-time temporary basis. Apart from the remuneration, GATE will also provide accommodation. Absolutely. यानी कि रहने का खर्चा भी आपका बच जाएगा. Definitely you will be saved from the house rent allowance. You will be getting a HRA, but it will be unfurnished. Of course, furniture you will have to take it on your own. And if there are any other charges or the facilities, that will be excluded from the same. Personal accident insurance. So you will also get a personal medical insurance of up to 12 lakh rupees. बिल्कुल. You will get a family floater cover. यानी कि आपके बाद आपकी family, if any accident happens in undesirably, 5 lakhs of the floater for your family. What else do you need? A government job, an enterprise of one of the PSUs, and such an exclusive, such amazing opportunities and allowances and perks you're getting along with a 1,04,000 salary. Cost of medicines up to 1,000 rupees per month will be also given to you. TADA is only given on the basis of the location. You will also be given dear allowances and travel allowances if there's any change or if there's any traveling cost involved. You will be getting 12 PL and pro rata basis pay CL. Alright, that is the casual leaves, and the CL is casual leaves, PL is paid leaves. Alright, so this is the complete brochure. How to apply? Quickly go on this website recruitment.pata@gale.co.in and fill the replica and attach your form of the registration. Alright, it is also given in the same PDF, and attach all your documents like the MCI approved certificates, internships experience certificates, all your proofs of government ID, etc. And you have to complete this before the 5th of March. You have to complete the mail registration. 5th of March is the last date to do the same, and this is the application form which you have to attach on the mail. Your Gale medical professionals, your passport size photos, your educational details, qualification details, personal details, etc. with a declaration, right, and praman patra, and place and details and signature and name. So you have to attach all of this, and if you have any experience prior in any organizations, you have to attach the details of the same as well. So that is it for today's video. I hope that it was insightful for all of you there out medical officers and striving to be one of serving the government, serving the community. Stay connected with Academically, Akram sir and Payam sir for more such upcoming and interesting notification updates, and do keep on visiting jobsly.com, because this is a platform where your dreams will turn into reality. The job that you will be looking out for, you will be getting that job information. So wishing all of you good luck. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.